Hey everybody, it's Bobby, and we're doing recipes that are all geared around the big game. It's that time of year, and we all love our football, and we're all gathered around the screens for this particular game, and we love finger foods and dips and just all sorts of good, yummy things. I love dips, and this is a good one. It is a white bean dip, and so let's get started. I've got a small food processor, and to that I'm going to add 1 can of white beans, a little bit of cumin, a little bit of our house seasoning, some minced garlic, and some lemon juice. I think I'm gonna add that looks like a lot of lemon juice. I think I'm gonna add maybe half of it. We'll get started and then add a little more. So away we go. Oh yeah, already looking good. And I almost forgot a little bit of olive oil. About a teaspoon maybe. Yeah, looks good. And if we need more, we can add some more. Definitely need a little bit more lemon juice. I'm gonna go ahead and add the rest of it. That's gonna give it some nice tart. It's gonna give our dip a little bit of zip. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh-wee. Just I happen to have some chips over here to taste it, and I think, really good already.
Bobby, if you need some salt and pepper, it's right on the table.
So far, I like the way it tastes.
Okay, good.
But we can always add some if we need to. A little bit of hot sauce though, because I do want just a little bit of heat. Now I'll taste it one more time, and if it needs a little salt and pepper, I'll add it. But I'll tell you what, Teresa, the lemon juice goes a long way. That really adds a lot of flavor. And to me, well, hey Lulu, makes it to where you don't need so much salt and pepper. All right, let's check it out. Plus our chips are salty. Maybe that's part of the problem. Well, Teresa's right. It does need a pinch. So just a pinch of salt and pepper. And I think it's going to be a home run or a touchdown. Touchdown, that's more like it. Great. Now all we need is a pretty bowl. That's pretty. Yeah, get that olive oil out of the way there, Teresa. Big bag of chips and some friends. Maybe a nice cold water. Or a soda. Or a punch. Or a lemonade. Or whatever it is that you like to drink. Maybe a nice cold beer with the game. Man. I love beans too. I could eat beans every day. Sometimes I do. Great way to get protein. Beans are super versatile. I remember my mom making bean pies when I was a kid. We had some friends. My parents had some friends from Muncie, Indiana. Her name was Jody Moyer. I sometimes wonder how the Moyers are doing. And she used to make bean pies, and my mom started making bean sandwiches for me and my brother, and it would be just white beans and I think onion, and I don't remember what all she put in it, but they were so good. And we put them on white bread with mayonnaise, and we would eat bean pie sandwiches when I was a kid. Let's see. So good, so simple. Enjoy the big game with your friends. Make yourself a white bean dip. You'll thank me.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.